Grab Green Baby Diaper Pail Odor Remover Spray, naturally derived, by Grab Green is one of the best baby diaper pail deodorizers products. Grab Green Baby Diaper Odor Removal Spray was formulated with patented technology to target and remove odors specifically associated with dirty diapers. Unlike conventional fresheners that mask odors with unsavory ingredients, the manufacturer's Diaper Pail spray neutralizes odors without the use of phthalates, parabens or formaldehyde. Simply spray as much needed directly into your diaper pail after each diaper and close the lid. Thoughtful, delightful packaging includes clear use instructions and glitter accents. The manufacturer believes in full ingredient disclosure, what the manufacturer call true transparency, which is why the manufacturer lists every ingredient and the purpose for each ingredient on every package. The manufacturer's refreshing wildflowers scent is made with essential oils ylang ylang and bitter orange. The manufacturer responsibly sourced the highest quality plant and mineral-based ingredients and worked directly with the manufacturer's team of organic chemists to create the most effective, naturally derived, non-toxic formulas. Contains 3 5-ounce bottles of Grab Green Baby Diaper Pail Odor Removal Spray, refreshing wildflowers fragrance. Naturally effective, neutralizes tough, stinky diaper pail odors without caustic chemicals, dyes or masking perfumes. Safer for you, your family and the planet, responsibly sourced ingredients formulated without phthalates, parabens or formaldehyde, proudly, naturally derived, biodegradable, made in the USA with domestic and imported products. Easy to use, spray as much as needed directly into diaper pail after each diaper. Scented with essential oils, the manufacturer's refreshing wildflowers fragrance is made with essential oils ylang ylang and bitter orange.